Hey guys, John here, and I want to talk to you about Scopeleads and why it's so powerful and why you really need to get this if you want to get more clients easier, faster, quicker, and better. So if you're in the business of trying to reach out to clients, reach out to new people, new prospects, and get them into your services, this is why you should buy this product, this Scopeleads. And you can see here we've generated over 1,044 leads in the last 30 days we've been using it. 344 actually have emails, and so this is a kind of a graph of how we've been using it, and it's been really powerful. Okay, so first let me show you why what you should do once you purchase it. And if you purchase it through our link, we're going to give you like deep dive how to really use this effectively to reach out to clients, because not only does it go out and get information or the name, address, and phone number and emails for you, it'll actually email them automatically or email them for you. And so we want to set you up for success and give you some great messaging, some email swipes that we're using to get people to respond to us, to email us back saying yes, give us more information, and or even call us. Just last week I had a guy, I sent out some emails and he calls back, he says, yes, give me a call. I've had more people reach back out through this specific messaging that we will give you if you purchase it through our link. That is powerful. Okay, and so so step number one is to purchase it through our link. But then here's why you should do it. Here's how you set, kind of, this is the kind of the nuts and bolts of behind the scenes of what this Scopeleads is about. So you hit campaigns. Now you can see there's a bunch of campaigns here that we've already started working on. But once you buy it, then you hit new campaign, and you're gonna set yourself up for a new niche. Okay, so let's just call it, you're gonna do plumbers in Kansas City or something like that. So you're gonna click here, and you're gonna put yourself in for plumbers. Now if you're gonna do a new one, you can see here we've done divorce attorney, water damage, orthodontist, roofing, plumbers, etc. So I'm going to show you one that we're working on already, which is roofers. Okay, and just today. So this is a new search. So we just did one, roofers in Newport Beach, pulled 27 new leads for us in the type of people that were lacking SEO, or they had poor SEO. This one was in Aurora, Colorado. They had video that was problematic. There was 36 leads. They had no video. So what does that mean? How does this work? So if we're going to do a new one, I'm going to show you how it works. We're going to click. You can set up your different niches here, right? See that? You hit new search, and then it gives you the ability to reach out to people specifically that are lacking in their social media. They're lacking in their SEO. They don't have schema, or they're doing AdWords and they're doing it wrong. But if you purchase through our link, again, I'm going to give you some awesome strategies to reach out to these people that are not your typical strategy. Okay, so these are all the different things you can do to set yourself up for success, to get people to respond to you, phone calls, and for return emails. So this is to reach out to people who are advertising on AdWords. This is to reach out to people who have don't have a website, okay, or need better design, mobile lacking, and video. So video is huge today, guys. There's not a lot of people, generally speaking, in the business world using video that they should be. So there's another awesome area to target. All right, so here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna click on SEO lacking. We're gonna go after roofers. That's the roofing industry. So we're gonna do roofing contractors, and we're gonna choose a city. So let's just go after Nashville, Tennessee. You can see the drop-down menu there. We're gonna hit next. Now you can enter the short description if you like here, and then you can email the results to yourself. I was doing that before, and then it sends you an email, says, hey, it's ready. So that's cool, you can do that. And then standard basically gives you the opportunity to manually inspect the leads it pulls and then message them. So this is the really cool part. It pulls the leads and gives you the opportunity to message them right away. So it's like click, click, click. Once it's all set up, you just click, 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 and you're sending out emails every day, and you're setting yourself up for success. So Standard is you could get to manually inspect them, make sure everything's kosher. I would really strongly recommend you do this. Auto, it sends that out automatically, obviously, but you can really get yourself in trouble if something is not set up properly and then it goes out, you look, like a dork. All right, so so now we're going to choose standard. We're going to hit finish, and you're going to go down here, and you can see here its status is working. So roofing contractors, Nashville. You're gonna see this little thing pop up right here pretty soon. It's really super fast, and we're doing the SEO lacking version. Okay, so if you wanted to do AdWords, you wanted to do video, you wanted to do schema. Oh, see, there it is, 54 leads total. And then it's going to go through and just pull all their other information and stats and stuff like that. So when we're done, you can see here, let's go to the Newport Beach one. Once this is done, you'll be able to hit view. So we're going to hit view right here. So out of the 27 leads that you have, we have 14 that have emails. So that's all that's showing right here. And so George Parks Roofing and Painting, Newport Beach, you get their phone numbers, you can reach out to them. Here's their email address. You can run an audit, like an SEO audit on their site. You have their social, their Facebook social, they got, Twitter, all their social accounts right here. You can see what they're doing. And here's the cool part. Now you can message all of these guys at once. Was it all 14 at once? Or if you really want to personalize it, you can do email one at a time. Now, obviously, the 14 would be good to do all at once. But so you can send a single email, right? Just drop down, choose the one that you want, and or a sequence. Okay. So here's a roofing sequence. I'm gonna do this roofing sequence, and a sequence basically means, like, say 3, 4, 5 emails sent automatically. So once you have it set up, it's sending day 1, day 2, day 4, day 6, day 7 automatically for you. So it's really, really cool. You just drop it in and it sends it all done for you. So let me show you how to set up an email sequence, which is really cool. All right, so I set up this roofers one right here, and we're gonna hit edit. Okay, so what you do is you just you title it what the niche is. This is an example one. Now, if you purchase through our link, okay, we're gonna give you some more strategy detail walkthrough on how to set all this up. So you're gonna be automatically generating leads on autopilot. Okay, this is really cool. You're gonna be sending out emails automatically, and so you want it to think about, oh, what do I gotta do today? It's just automatically done, and that's awesome. Last week I got 3 or 4, I think it was like 4 return phone calls from doing this, and probably like 5 or 6 return emails from doing what I'm showing you right now. So for instance, this is the first email in the sequence, right? So you're gonna do more roofing calls, or whatever the sequence, or whatever the subject is. You're going to paste in your first email message here. You can do HTML. You can put in video, right? Just enter your YouTube video. You can do merge fields, so business name, company. You can really do a lot of personalization here. You can check the spam score. So it's really, really cool on getting personalized email done. And then this is day 2. So you're going to send this one out the second day. Okay. You're going to send this particular one 2 days after the first one, right? This is all automatically. So today's Tuesday. So you're going to send this one out on Thursday automatically. So day 2, which actually means like 2 days later. And here's where you put your email message. You check the spam score. And so here's where you set how many days after the previous email this one goes out. So you hit 2 days, or if you want to send it the day after, you can do 1, right? Now here's where it really gets cool. You can set the condition, you can choose the condition on this email, how this email goes out. So what does that mean? It means if the prospect does not open the previous email, then it sends this one, okay? If the prospect does open the previous email, then it could send, you could choose a condition, right? So right now I have it is if they don't send it, it opens this one. Now what you do is, here's the cool part. You send another day 2. So it says send 1 day after. That's just because we haven't changed that. But this particular one could be, so you can just go down here and hit 2. So prospect opens the previous email. So if they open it, they get this one. If they don't open it, they get this one. How cool is that, right? So I have all these emails going out, and if they open it, they get this one. If they don't open it, they get this one. And that's really, really super cool. Now, if you want to do another one, you can add another email, right? So send one day. So we don't want to send one day. We want to send 4 days after. Okay, choose the condition. So prospect opens the previous email, right? So now you have one email going out right away. You have the second, the day 2 email if they open it or they don't open it. So you have to come up with a message if they open it. Hey, I saw you open the message, but I didn't get a email back from you. Are you interested in XYZ? Okay, or this one, they didn't open it at all. Hey, I sent you an email a couple days ago. Just want to make sure that you got it, and then your message. Okay, and then the third one sends out day 4, and you put your subject here and you put your message here, and it's super, super easy. Okay, so now that's really what the powerful, why this is so powerful. Let's go back to the roofing campaigns, see if that one is done. It is. Okay, so in Nashville, Tennessee, we had 50 total leads. That's awesome. You might want to view them. All right, so we have 19 emails that 19 roofers that we can reach out to right now and send our message to. Okay, remember this was the SEO lacking one. So this is what we can format. We can format a message and strategize a message on how to get more phone calls for these guys using SEO or video, stuff like that. So guys, this is a really, really powerful piece of software. I strongly encourage you to go ahead and purchase it. Purchase it through our link. You get the awesome bonuses. The link is going to be right below here in the message or in the description. And again, this is John. We'll talk to you later, and we'll see you on the inside.